Do you want to have access to the water and the VRE all while in Northern Virginia? Well, I have the house for you. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we are in the entryway. You'll see you have a nice large window, letting some natural light in here, LVP flooring. And right in here we have a bedroom, 2 beautiful windows right here. Closet and an ensuite bathroom. And I love the tile selection they did in here. So this is bathroom 1, bedroom 1, right when you walk in. Down here, let's check out the garage. Wow, look at how tall these ceilings are. You could do so much storage up here. I'm gonna say they're about 14 feet tall. Your water heater. And some other mechanicals in here like the HVAC system. It's like some water supply lines and a electric panel. So it's pretty cool. You have your own garage here in this townhome. Hardwood steps with the white risers. That's always a nice modern look. More natural lighting. More closet. And let's check out this beautiful kitchen. We have a 2-tone design with some gold knobs. Stainless steel appliances. It's a really pretty glass backsplash. And just a big, beautiful window in here for more natural lighting. I have a feeling one of these is a pantry and one of them is a bathroom. Oh, this one is a half bath. And this one is probably, yep, your pantry. Here is your living area. You could do some type of dining room table set up over here and then maybe a sofa next to it. So let's check out this balcony. This is cute. You can enjoy your morning coffee out here. There is some room to tuck some bar stools under this island. I love these cutout windows up here to allow more of that natural light. This is a really nice size, open concept kitchen, dining, and living room area. Let's go check out the next story. Again, more of these cutout windows with the natural lighting. And here we have bedroom number 2. Some nice tray ceilings. I like that detail. Oh, look at this lovely bathroom. Look at the detail on the tile floor. Double vanity. Nice large walk-in shower. Over here we have one of 2 closets. Or, no, yeah, they're not connected. So that's nice. All right, down the hallway, let's see what we have here. Your laundry. Here's bedroom number 3. Wow, this bedroom also has an ensuite. So far, all 3 bedrooms have their own bathroom. They all have this LVP flooring. And a nice size closet. All right, let's go up here. Oh, more storage. Can never have too much storage. Okay, here is the final bathroom. Also just nicely done with the tile selections. So essentially this 4th story here, you have a nice overlook. We'll go outside and check it out, but someone has an entire floor to themselves because this is a living area, a bedroom, and a bathroom. And their own HVAC. So that's important because that'll help keep this 4th story cooler. When the rest of the house is cool, the heat will rise and sometimes the top floor gets hot. Let's check out this balcony. Oh, how cool is this? You have some electrical out here. That's where that unit is. The doors are really stylish. So over there is what used to be a golf course. It's not open anymore, but they do maintain the golf cart paths so people can still use them as walking trails. You can see they're gonna finish off these sections here. That one's just about done. That one is completed over there. That building right there is condos, so that's also part of this community.